Sometimes some organizations look at having multiple systems. So you have two different vendors for the same function. You have a primary and a standby, but that gets very expensive. So there's a few different approaches that I see, each kind of with their own pros and cons. Some systems by design are widely distributed, but those are still susceptible to things like if there's any kind of bad data injection or an insider threat could cause, denial of service, those kinds of things. So they're more resilient, but they're still vulnerable. Sometimes some organizations look at having multiple systems. So you have two different vendors for the same function. You have a primary and a standby, but that gets very expensive. You're implementing everything twice. And then you have specialized products like Acsense simplify and streamline a lot of that.
More than that, we need to remember that with the rise of SaaS, all the companies are faced with terms of service, which include shared responsibility model. That means that vendor is responsible for the infrastructure, but the actual data is sole responsibility of the customer. They need to make sure to have reliable system that can maintain the data and the changes within the data.